Today we're going to try and restore car headlights with metal polish like this one right here. Brasso! Now if you don't have Brasso, you'll probably have Mother's or something like that. I'll link them both in the description below so you can check them out. Now Brasso has been in use for over 100 years now, from belt buckles to motorcycle parts, chrome to antiques, things like that. It's a great product. But will it work on car headlights? Who knows? Let's find out. So gone are the days where car headlights were made of glass. Now they're pretty much exclusively made of plastic. Now the problem is these oxidize over time, and the biggest enemy is the sun. If you want to learn all about oxidization and why the sun does this and how to prevent this, I'll link a great video in the description below so you can check that out. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean the area with soapy water. We don't know what stains are on here, and we don't want to affect the metal polishing process if there's something that's going to smear and potentially cause any damage to our headlights. Next, rinse them off and dry them off. Next, give the metal polish a good shake. Now get a clean microfiber towel and just put a little polish on there, not too much at all. Apply the metal polish with small circular motions. You can kind of see the difference between this one and the one next to it already. Look how clear this one is, and look how cloudy that one is there. Once you've buffed the area with the Brasso, take a third microfiber towel and we're just going to buff it out now. So what do you think of the difference? It's not bad for 3 minutes of work, is it? And this is something you can do every time you wash your car. So if your headlights are really yellowed, really oxidized, this process may not work for you, but you can try. It should improve them dramatically regardless. If you're one of those people with really bad headlights, you may need to wet sand it. Start with a low grit sandpaper, slowly move up to a very fine one, and then apply a rubbing compound and polish, and they should be a lot better. That's the other process you can do. So this metal polish here is not too dissimilar from a rubbing compound. It's pretty much just abrasives suspended in a solution, and this one gives a nice little polish as well. It's almost like these two products combined, really. So if you have some metal polish lying around, I definitely recommend you give it a try, or just get them from the links below in the description. It works pretty well. So the big question, how long does this last? Well, I last did this one 6 months ago, so you can see here. I recommend doing it 3 times per year. If you're washing your car anyway, you know, it's not too much effort to get this done at all. It's super easy. Alternatively, you can do it 1 time and spray a UV coating on here to kind of seal it in, and it will last a lot longer. Having one solution just isn't right for everybody. Everyone's circumstances are different. So post below, let me know your results and let me know if it worked for you. So thank you for watching. Take care.